Hey there, Strathmore. Lucas here again from Strathmore Dodge with another video walk around, this time on a pre-owned minivan 2018 Kia Sedona LX in dark gray. Vehicle has 18-inch alloy rims, dual sliding doors, keyless entry, power folding mirrors. You do have a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control, Bluetooth, front heated seats, beautiful center console, and these did a great job with the interior. And then coming up here, we do have push button start and a 7-inch in cluster display, and that does have Android Auto. Dual storage on the top, power reclined seats, you have power sliding doors, and what's fairly rare in these, you do have an 8-seater, so that center seat can come out. It is removable. And you've got dual buckets on each side. These slide forward and flat forward. Sun visors built into the side. Coming around to the rear, I do have a power liftgate, backup camera built in. Rear seats do stow flat into the floor. And that center seat in the second row does flip down to become cup holders. And privacy screens in the back row here. Great family vehicle, tons of room. It is an 8-seater. It does come with roof racks. If you're interested in this vehicle or any others like it, you can email me Lucas at strathmoredodge.com.